कोविड ट्रांसमिशन की चेन को कैसे तोड़ें?
The most important thing for all of us is to have COVID appropriate behavior. Vaccine is just one weapon that we have, but vaccine is not something which will bring down the pandemic. The number of cases that we are having right now have to be brought down by breaking the chain of transmission. This is a virus which spreads from one human to another. It doesn't spread by water, it doesn't spread by mosquitoes. So if we are able to prevent virus spreading from ourselves, if we are positive to another person, we will break the chain of transmission and the virus will not spread in our community. Therefore, wear your mask properly, make sure it covers your nose and mouth, it is tightly sealed from the side so that you are also protected and you are also adding to protecting others also. So masking up is very, very important. Along with that, maintain your distance, 2 gaz ki duri. Along with that, wash your hands regularly. If you are in an indoor environment, make sure that there is good cross ventilation, because we are now knowing that the virus can stay as an aerosol in the air for a longer period in time, and therefore having good cross ventilation and making sure that all the air in the room is well circulated is also very, very important. But for all of us, the most important thing is that we should mask up, avoid forming crowds, avoid crowds, because crowds can be super spreading events and we can have a huge surge in the number of cases in your locality, in your area, if you are not taking care about crowds or crowds developing. You may feel that all your friends, and this happens to residents, it happens to your friends, your colleagues, that all my friends are all right, I know them, so they are not infected, so we can all sit together and have a cup of tea or have a meal together. You may have many who may be asymptomatic. And if one of them has the infection, we are now seeing a strain which is very infectious. It will infect majority, almost all of them who are sitting together and having your cup of tea or having a meal together. So please don't have crowds. Eat your meals separately, have your tea separately, communicate through your telephones, your other apps, but don't really sit together because this is not the time to do so.